To attach your wire guardian, the first thing you need to do is attach a crimp to your jewellery wire. Thread a crimp onto your jewellery wire. The wire guardian has 2 small holes at the end. You thread your jewellery wire through one of the holes. Then you move it up and around the top of the wire guardian. Thread it through the hole again. And then thread it through the crimp. Once it's threaded through the crimp, move the wire guardian to the top of the wire, move the crimp up, push the crimp hard against the wire guardian and close the crimp with the pliers.